Oh na na na, the full story. Pastor full story. For this life where I come.
Hi Afos family.
How are you doing today?
How are you doing today?
Welcome back to our channel, guys.
Welcome back to the channel today.
Well, basically today's video, what we want to do is
Hey, before we go into the video, first of all, a couple of days ago was my...
couple of days ago.
Yes.
Okay. Oh yeah, Thursday. Yeah.
A couple of days ago was my sweetheart's birthday. We didn't do much. And she's like, I just want it to be just you and I alone. So, did you enjoy it? Well, you smiling like that. Anyway, so anyone who hasn't wished this beautiful woman a happy birthday, please put that in the comment below, and I really appreciate it. She's a wonderful wife and lovely mother to my 2 boys. Anyway,
now let's
get into the video.
So today what we want to do is
What are we doing today?
we are doing blindfolded slime challenge.
I don't know how to make it, but I'll try.
We're gonna do the experiment.
Okay.
So we will go blindfolded, and after we finish doing it, we have 4 minutes. Do you have your phone with you?
No, I don't. But it's alright, we can just do it.
No, I'll get enough other guys. Basically, today's video is not something like, we just want to do something fun. We give ourselves 4 minutes for this challenge, and after 4 minutes,
First of all, we make a little one.
The first one to finish before the time, or the first person to do it,
Well, everyone.
to get it, the whole procedure. Basically, everything here makes a slime. Everything, every single thing. If you mix either of them together, makes it slime. But we have a quickest one that will make a quick, fast slime. But after that, then we do it together the normal way, the giant one. Okay? No cheating. No. I want to say this stuff first. You go. You got your own ready.
But I don't cheat.
No, I'm not gonna cheat. Glasses. So I'm gonna set the time.
No cheating.
Yeah, I'm not cheating. Okay, ready? Start.
Start.
No cheating. Okay?
No cheating. I need water. Pass me the water.
Why would I know where water is? How did I even know I'm carrying water? There you go.
That's okay.
No cheating.
I'm not cheating.
I'm not cheating either.
What's this?
Whoa, I'm done.
It's a good tone. That's too quick. Hope you didn't cheat, did you?
No, I didn't. Why would I cheat?
I've still got time.
It doesn't matter. But I'm done anyway.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank you. What about you? How far are you?
Almost there.
Okay. I'm done. So basically, this is my slime.
Did you remove the color off your face?
What?
Did you remove the color off your face yet?
No.
Okay.
I don't even know if I'm getting in the right direction of the camera, but yeah. Afos family, this is my slime.
Okay.
Are you done?
This is mine.
I have the eye of the tiger.
Can we remove the blind?
Sure. What did you mix? Is that a slime? Afos family. What did he do? This is a slime.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Sorry. I guess we all know who actually won this challenge.
I did.
What do you mean you did? I won. So now, after this, the next one we want to do is we have to work together to make a giant slime. We need to do it as a couple. Wow. The whole place is messy. Sorry, our first family, we're about to make a giant slime. Well, we actually together. So the first thing we actually put here is water, and then mix it together. Mix it. And this is school glue that we are actually using.
It's enough.
No, we're making a giant one. Screw glue. And this is borax. Take your hand. Quickly be mixing it together. Quick. Be quick, be quick. Be quick about it. We need more borax.
Careful.
Still need more.
Keep going.
I think we need to put extra food glue. We need to actually make this a success as is.
You're trying. It's enough. What else?
What about the cream? And we're actually using no. This is not a success. I think you've got something. Something is not right.
Guess what we did? Guess, guys. Wrong.
We didn't get it right.
Didn't get it right.
I think something is missing. Wait, let's wait. I don't know.
Keep doing it. We might get it. Oh, guys.
Seriously.
We bad. I feel like crying.
I would say it's a wasted effort, is it?
It wasn't a wasted effort. At least we made something different. I won't call this a slime. I'll call it a slime. A shrink slime.
But we were told that if you make a slime
Yes.
and you do not get it right,
Yeah.
once you apply any cream,
Yeah.
moisturize it together,
Yes. What do you
and it
think?
will completely make it best. We've already used the cream, but
Yeah.
still no success.
We made a slime.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, a giant one. So, guess what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm gonna eat it.
Go on.
Ow.
Eat. No.
Put it in your face.
Honestly. Okay.
Alright, guys.
Whoa, I'm not really happy with
Giant
this.
slime gone.
Oh, look at my
wrong.
ring.
Oh my god. How could you do that?
Honest, like totally forgot.
Oh my
To be
God.
honest, it actually. Oops. Okay, Afos family.
We made a giant slime.
Don't say slime. It's this slime.
Slime.
It's slime, but to me, but it's still okay.
But anyway, guys, thanks for watching.
And
Thanks
if you haven't
for
subscribed
watching.
to our channel,
Please
make sure you
subscribe.
turn on the bell icon notification to get notified whenever we post.
And don't forget to follow us on our socials.
Yes,
We'll be right down
and
here.
give this video a thumbs up. To be honest, we actually did try, but if you want to see the part 2, if you want us to work more either, leave a comment and make sure you share this video as well and give it a thumbs up. The more thumbs up, the more comments we have. That's going to be an assignment for us to go and do more research on how to do a Namu giant slime.
Until then, see you
later,
again.
and thanks
next
for
time.
watching. No, we just want to do something fun, you know, something fun.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Something
we
crazy.
tried. It tried. To be honest, see ya. A big experiment. This is experiment anyway. Thanks for watching. I will see you later. As always, bye. Love you. Hold on, guys. Before you go, if you haven't subscribed to our channel,
Make sure you
turn on
subscribe.
the bell icon notification to get notified whenever we post a video.
From the Afos families.
Join that Afos family.
And we promise you you're gonna enjoy every of our videos, and we see you, and make sure you support us and subscribe. Thank you. Have fun. Mwah.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Family, I no one fuck up.